In this video, we're gonna talk about top 6 ways to become a millionaire. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future update. Here is the list of top 6 ways to become a millionaire. Number 1. Start a business that you love. To start a business you love, you must figure out your why. Choose a business idea. Name your business. Define your business model, how you'll make money, handle the legal stuff. Develop a unique brand. Identify your target market and find your customers. Make a marketing plan. Stand out from your competition. Number 2. Generate multiple forms of income. The key to building wealth and achieving financial success is creating multiple sources of income. In fact, the average millionaire has 7 sources of income. When you have multiple streams of income, you aren't relying on one single source for your money. Basically, you aren't putting all of your eggs in one basket. So, if you were to lose your job or if one source isn't generating enough, you have other income flowing in to prevent financial problems. Number 3. Get others to buy into your vision. People do not at first follow worthy causes. They follow worthy leaders whose causes they believe in. People buy into the leader before they buy into the vision. One of my clients worked hard to raise money to fund his business vision. Investors were skeptical, but he persisted and was successful. When the company scaled north of $100 million in revenues, it suddenly attracted outside buyers willing to pay big multiples. All the investor distribution party, the most common question was, when are you doing another deal? Gaining buy-in is important. These 4 steps will help you get it done. 1. Focus first on those with the most influence. 2. Craft your vision carefully and practice communicating it. 3. Build up your trust account. 4. Leverage momentum. Number 4. Make regular investment. Regular investing is basically drip feeding your money into the market, rather than investing a lump sum in one go. By investing a monthly amount into your investment portfolio, you can ride out the highs and lows of the market. You may save regularly in traditional investment options like bank or post office recurring deposits. Invest in blue chip stocks. Invest in income stocks and bonds. Invest in high growth stocks. Invest in real estate. Invest in startup businesses. Number 5. Spend less than you earn. Spending less than you earn is one of the most important financial concepts to understand and live by. If you don't live on less than you earn, you will never get ahead. Spending less than you earn may take some initial life changes, but the longer you do it, the easier it is to continue doing it. Number 6. Think bigger than your competition. Knowing who your competitors are and what they are offering can help you to make your products, services, and marketing stand out. It will enable you to set your prices competitively and help you to respond to rival marketing campaigns with your own initiatives. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.